Here's my no-faff method to fake an audio transition in Adobe Express. I have my simple animation with audio added. I want the music to swell gently and fade away at the end. Click on the audio track, the blue line, to expand it. Move the playhead to where you want to split the audio. I found I have to click the blue line of the audio each time, or I split the whole scene. Now I can type S on my keyboard to split the audio at this point. Once you get the hang of moving the playhead, clicking and snipping, it's quite quick to do this. For each clip, change the volume. I chose to start at 10% and increase to 33%, 60%, 80%, and then it's the audio at 100%. Use more audio splits and smaller volume steps to increase the smoothness of the fade. For this little demo, 4 splits will do the job. At the end of the clip, I repeat the process, splitting the audio into 4 clips and reducing the volume from 100% to 80%, 60%, 33%, and finally 10%. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. But while we're waiting for proper audio transitions, we can at least be kind to eardrums everywhere and fade out audio just a little bit.